Welcome. If you're looking to disable topics in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. Whether you want to keep your group chat streamlined or return to the classic group format, this guide will walk you through the latest steps with Telegram's new update. First, open Telegram Web in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to change group settings, so double-check your permissions before moving forward. Now, inside your group chat, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your options menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more settings for your group. From the drop-down menu, select Edit. This will open the group settings panel, where you can manage everything from the group name to permissions and features. Scroll down in the settings panel until you find the Topics section. Here, you'll see a toggle or switch next to Topics. If Topics are currently enabled, the switch will be on. To disable Topics, simply click the toggle so it turns off. This will remove the separate topic sections and return your group to a single, unified chat stream. Once you've disabled Topics, your group members will see all messages in one continuous conversation, just like before topics were introduced. There's no need to worry about losing your chat history. Disabling Topics won't delete your previous messages. Everything will remain accessible in the main chat view. That's it. You've successfully disabled Topics in your Telegram group on Telegram Web. This change can help keep your group organized the way you prefer, especially if your members find multiple topics confusing or unnecessary. If you ever want to re-enable Topics in the future, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a simpler group chat experience on Telegram.